Hello, beautiful. How are you today? I hope you are doing fine. So the next lesson which I want myself to always remember in future is that remember to prioritize yourself. Okay. I don't want you to get caught in others so much that you forget about yourself. Okay. Try to remember what you are, what is your priority, what is your need, what is your wants, what are your desire, what are your dreams, and try to live them first. Okay. Instead of always prioritizing others and doing what other feels is right, always going on the ways which have been always been suggested or always be told to you. I'm not saying that you always have to go against to them, but I just want you to that uh, sleep on it. Okay, sleep on every situation, think about it long and hard, and then take decisions which resonates with your soul, which resonates with you. Okay, I don't want you to get into the peer pressure. I know we all get into the peer pressure at one point of time, but still I want you to at least fight it hard. Okay, I want you to stand to these situations. Okay, I just don't want you to okay, this is the simple way, this is the suggesting way, this is what most of the people around me uh, wants, and this is what situation demands, so I'll have to do it. Okay, and it's easy, I don't have to do much, and just do what others are saying. Okay, I don't want you to become a puppet of others. Okay, you have never been, you are not, even in this age you are not, and I don't want you to become one in future also. Okay, so always prioritize, always make yourself remember to prioritize your needs. Okay, your demands, your desires, your everything. Okay, because you as a person, you as a soul come first. Okay, you have been through a lot, you are going through a lot this time, and you are going to be situations with circumstances in the future also. I know that, but you just can't let those things get the best out of you. This is what I mean. Okay, you can't just let things happen to you. Sometimes you'll have to stand against the odds. You have to, and they may not be just odds. Okay, they may be sugar coated, you can say, things which are told to you by your parents, maybe by your friends, maybe by your colleagues, and your near and dear ones basically. Okay, so you just can't let all those things get to you. Okay, are you getting my point? Like, you just can't let it happen the way it want to happen to you. Okay, you have to if situation, if a thing is not acceptable for you, if you are thinking about it again and again, whether to do it or not, whether to take this decision in this way or not, if you are not that confident in yourself about a particular thing, okay, then don't do it. Prioritize your mental health, prioritize your physical health, prioritize your soul thinking, prioritize you, what you want, what is your needs. Okay, don't prioritize others each and every time, because they are not going to prioritize you when it's going to be their turn. Okay, and it's not a give and take, it's about you. I just don't want you to become a puppet of others. I never wanted you to become a person. If you have never been, no, I mean, you have never been that person. Okay, till now, I don't want you to become one in the future also. And I'm recording this so you remember that what I was. If things have gone a different way, then you can remember, by watching this you can remember that this is who I was. Okay, and in a series of circumstances, in a series of scenarios, in series of situation, I have become a bit of something which I am not. Okay, so I hope you find this video in a situation where you hardly want it. You sorry, I mean you really want it and you really need it. Okay, I hope you to find this video on that time. Okay, and I hope you can resonate with yourself again. You can take decision for yourself. You can stand against all the odds if you have to. You can go against to all those things if you have to. Okay, because you know, when situation happens with us, we think, okay, I'm going to do this. If next time this happens, I'm going to do this, I'm going to say this, and a lot of things. But you know, when that same situation occur, the next time we do the same thing as we did before. Okay, so I don't want you to do that. I'm recording this only because I want you to remember the times. Okay, I want you to remember the anger you are having in you right now. Okay, don't forget it. Don't become a puppet of others. Okay, don't make a fool out of yourself. Okay, be you, prioritize yourself, prioritize your dignity, prioritize your pride, prioritize you in every sense. Okay, don't think about others because they are not going to think about you anyway. Okay, and this is a human, you can say, a fact that people have a goldfish, sorry, I mean people have a memory. Okay, people will forget, people forget things like this. Okay, so remember this also. They are going to talk maybe for 9 days, maybe for 13 days, and then shh. But that decision will going to stick with you. Every time you go to bed, every time you think back of your life, you are going to going to think that that decision wasn't mine. That decision, I just took that decision because of somebody else, and that somebody may not be there at that time. Okay, so don't influence your decision because of others. Don't make your decision, don't take big decisions because of others, affected by others. Okay, because they are not going to be with you forever, and for that little part of the time you just cannot let them have what they want out of you. Okay, so prioritize yourself, stand for yourself, prioritize each and every aspect of your life. Okay, I love you.